So guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we will talk about earning money, how to earn money online. So how to earn money online? We will first opening the websites. So the top website ranking in Google is Mailchimp. So they are telling us 15 ways to earn money online. So first, I will open it, and as you can see, there are. So this is the some ways. Freelance work, start a YouTube channel, start a dropshipping business, take online surveys, create a blog, write and publish an ebook, start investing, build websites, become an influencer, and develop an apps. And many things are available for earning money online. You just need to learn the skills for earning the money. So they are telling us 25 ways, but this thing is on you from which method you want to earn money. Like I'm earning from YouTube channel, I have created a YouTube channel and I am earning some money, some good money from it, some $100 to some $200 per month from my one YouTube channel, and I have 8 YouTube channels. So YouTube channel is a quite good way for making money. How to earn money online without investment? There are many things, as you can see. Without investment, if you want to earn, you can go to LinkedIn, this website. Just screenshot this and open in your device. First way is freelancing. You can do work for people's creators, creating and selling digital products like NFT and many things, online surveys and tasks. It's a quite simple way for earning money, surveys and tasks. And blogging from blogger.com, you can earn money free because there is free domain and free hosting. YouTube is a also free way by creating a YouTube channel, online tutoring. If you have any knowledge, you can tutor some people's podcasting and dropshipping. Many ways are available without investment. So I hope you like the video.